12 Secret Things You Need to Do to Win a Man's Love and Devotion for Life. Hi there, sweet ladies. I'm sure you all have that one unique man who makes your heart skip a beat. Sometimes, though, you're left wondering how to ensure that he feels the same way about you. Many women desire to win a man's love, dedication, and undivided attention for life. The need to feel loved and valued by the man in their life is something that many women strive for, regardless of how long their relationship has been going. But what is the key to winning a man's pure love, dedication, and attention for life? Are you ready to deepen your bond and make him daydream about you 24/7? Do you want to keep a man's eyes on you and only you? Would you love to make him absolutely obsessed with you? So grab a seat and let's take notes. What is the psychology behind making a man obsessed with you? Let's have a deeper understanding of the psychology behind what makes a man fall madly in love before we reveal those juicy tips. You can better captivate his whole attention if you understand what makes his heart race. These are a few of the psychological factors that will make you your guy's new obsession. Attraction. Attraction is a combination of personality, physical attributes, and an inexplicable chemistry. It is the spark that kindles his passion and entices him to return for more. Taking use of psychological triggers. Recognize what makes him tick and make use of it. You might make yourself seem desirable in his eyes by getting to know his desires and concerns. Craving novelty. The need for excitement and unique experiences is ingrained in our minds. You have to become the source of that delight for him to become obsessed. Striking the balance. The secret is to mix familiarity with mystery. Remain unpredictable yet comforting all at once to keep him on his toes. Becoming his dream girl. By delving into the psychology behind his obsession, you may create a character that fulfills his ultimate fantasy. Now that you've mastered the basics, you are ready to explore our amazing suggestions to make your partner absolutely enamored with you. 1. Be his safe haven. Life may be difficult, and everyone needs someone to depend on. Become his safe haven by providing comfort, understanding, and a judgment-free space for him to share his thoughts and emotions. How do you foster an environment of trust and openness? Is there anything you can do to make him feel more comfortable discussing his feelings with you? When you become his refuge from the stresses of everyday life, he will be magnetically drawn to you and the sense of peace you offer. 2. Be confident. Confidence is unquestionably appealing and a powerful technique to get your partner hooked on you. When you're confident and comfortable in your own skin, he'll find it hard to resist you. So, embrace your quirks, own your strengths, and remember that you're one of a million. Your confidence will not only make you alluring, but it will also motivate him to up his game. Ask yourself, what distinguishes you? How do you confidently show it off? Are there any areas where you can try to improve your self-esteem? Remember that confidence is essential in winning his heart. 3. Love him. Love is the cornerstone of any great, long-lasting relationship. Nothing beats love for capturing a man's affection, attention, and lifelong commitment. To ensure your relationship lasts, make him feel loved, valued, and accepted. Show your partner that you genuinely care about him and your relationship. Let him know that you are there for him during good and bad. Show him affection with words and actions. Finally, make sure he understands that he is the only one in your life who has your heart and attention. Since with these things, you may easily get your man's love, attention, and devotion for the rest of your life. 4. Create unforgettable memories together. Shared experiences are the cornerstone of a long-term connection. Create amazing memories by trying new things, visiting new places, or simply enjoying each other's company on a comfortable night in. What adventures can you go on together? How can you make your time together even more memorable? As you collect a treasure trove of wonderful memories, he will associate you with joy and excitement, leaving you completely smitten. 5. Brag about him. Men want to know whether they have what it takes. They want to ensure that they have the manhood, competence, and knowledge to be the husband, father, and provider you want and desire. Tell your man that you believe in him and would choose him above any other man to be yours and your partner. The easiest approach to accomplish this is to openly announce it to others while he is present. Pay attention to how he reacts when you do this. It will brighten his mood. 6. Let him miss you. I understand that if you're falling for this person, you want to spend every waking moment with him. Maybe he wants it too. But shall we ease into that 24/7 sort of relationship? On the other hand, don't try it all together. Spending time apart is beneficial for couples. It allows you to spend time alone or with friends. It offers you something to talk about while you are together. Having time apart promotes balance in the relationship and allows you both to miss one another. When he misses you, he thinks about you. He's thinking about his affection for you. All good things. Pause for a second. Ladies, are you finding these insights helpful? If so, please show some love by liking the video or leaving a little comment to let me know. Every interaction helps greatly, and I really appreciate it. 7. Admire his masculinity. Men enjoy being needed, and they also enjoy being admired for their masculinity. However, I am not saying you should squeeze his muscles and swoon every time you see him. Masculinity is more than simply testosterone and muscle. It is about treating others properly, being chivalrous, and acting with honor. Being sensitive and compassionate is what defines true masculinity. It's about being the decent partner. So whatever it means to you, let him know that you admire these characteristics. If nothing else, it will spark an intriguing conversation on what it means to be a guy in this day and age. 8. Be a good listener. Sometimes all we need is someone to listen. Paying attention to what he has to say is an effective method to demonstrate that you care, and it will make him feel really heard and understood. Listening is a far more difficult task than talking. I mean, really listen. Not half listening to your partner on the phone as you paint your toenails and scroll through social media. When you focus all of your attention on hearing what he's saying, you're actually listening on two levels. First, you're hearing his words, but you're also receiving what he's conveying nonverbally. And given that 60 to 80% of human communication is nonverbal, this is critical to understand, especially if you want to learn how to get a man madly in love with you. When he says his day is fine, what does his body language say? Is he awkwardly fidgeting? If this is the case, he may want to discuss his day further, but he wants you to ask additional questions. Is he sad when he talks? Further investigation is needed to determine why. To demonstrate your attentiveness, repeat what you understand him to have said. 9. Keep evolving and growing. Growing personally is essential for a happy and flourishing relationship. Continuously strive to improve yourself, whether by gaining new skills, setting goals for yourself, or addressing areas for self-improvement. He will find you more intriguing, interesting, and engaging, and he will value your self-improvement efforts. Who doesn't want to be around someone who has a growth mindset? Consider strategies to push yourself for growth and progress. Are there areas of your life that you would like to improve? You'll motivate him to grow with you by demonstrating your dedication to self-improvement, resulting in a dynamic connection that keeps him completely intrigued by your presence. 10. Show kindness and compassion. Acts of generosity and compassion may leave a lasting impact on the person you love, making him completely smitten with you. Be kind to him and others around you, whether they're friends, relatives, or strangers. He will definitely notice. Consider how you might convey kindness and compassion in your daily life. Are there small gestures to have a significant impact on someone? You'll warm his heart by showing genuine care, and he'll want to be even closer to you. 11. Laugh together. Laughter is a powerful bonding tool, and experiencing fun moments together will strengthen your relationship. Find humor in daily circumstances, watch amusing movies, and tell humorous stories to one another. Do you want to bring more laughter into your relationship? Are there any inside jokes or humorous incidents you can recall together? By building a lighter and happier environment, you will establish a nurturing atmosphere in which he will be fully delighted with you. 12. Maintain an air of mystery A little mystery might go a long way towards having him captivated with you. While it is crucial to be open and honest, you should not share too much about yourself all at once. Allow him to gradually uncover the different layers of your personality, keeping him engaged and wanting more. Can you do more to keep the mystery in your relationship? Are there parts of your life you can gradually reveal over time? Keep him guessing, and he'll be eager to discover more about the great lady he's with. Well, there you have it. 12 secret things you need to do to win a man's love and devotion for life. Hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.